Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Noah and today let's learn Zokam. So the vocabulary that you will learn is about eyes. For just an eye, mid. For your eyes, for two eyes, it's called mid there. But the thing is, in Zokam we don't normally say mid there, mid the girl. We mostly say mid, kamid, namid. Let's say you have been looking at your computer for a long time and your eyes become sore. So you would just say commit na or commit ta. Alright, commit na or commit ta. Not commit te ta, commit te na. We don't use the plural form when we speak. But when you write and when you speak, if you want to say specifically, you can add te or tegel, mit tegel, mit te, commit te na, commit tegel na, which shows that which shows the plural form of the I. But when we speak, we just say commit na, commit ta. Let's say you meet somebody who has beautiful eyes and you just want to compliment him or her, and you say to her or him, wow, you have beautiful eyes. In Zokam, you will say namit te hoi si, namit et lom si. Got it? Bye bye.